Good morning to all, Honorable Chief Guest, all civil coordinators, respected teachers, and fellow students of civil orientation. On behalf of Sri Chaitanya Educational Institutions, hearty welcome to all of you for this innovative session. We have out our guest, Mr. Parikipandala Narahari Sir. He is Secretary and Commissioner, Government of Madhya Pradesh, India. He will give us a motivational speech. And let's begin with his biography. Parikipandala Narahari, born on 1 March 1975, also known as P. Narahari, he is an Indian civil servant employed by the Indian Administrative Services, lyricist and author. According to Tehelka, Narahari, in his capacity as District Collector of Gwalior, is one of India's few civil servants to use social media platforms such as Twitter and Facebook to interact with the citizenry to solve their problems. The issues citizens of Gwalior raised on Narahari's wall were automatically directed to concerned departments. The Better India recognized Narahari as 10 most inspiring IAS officers. Education, BE in Production Engineering and MA in Economics. Occupation, Commissioner, Urban Administrative Department, Government of MP. His grandparents belonged to Chintagattu village near Warangal. Narahari studied mechanical engineering at Osmania University and was selected to work with Indian Engineering Services in 1999. He was also selected for many organizations. He joined the IAS service in 2001. In 2002, he was posted as Assistant Collector at Chhindwara. He became the Assistant Collector and City Magistrate Murar along with SDO Revenue and SDM Dabra in Gwalior in 2003, SDO Revenue and SDM Mau in Indore in 2004. He was appointed as Municipal Commissioner of Indore Municipal Corporation in 2005. In 2006, he became Project Director ISDS and IFAD Managing Director WFDC and ex officio Deputy Secretary in Women and Child Development Department, Bhopal. In April 2007, he was transferred as Chief Executive Officer of Chhindwara Zilla Parishad and ex officio Additional Collector Development there. On August 2007, he became District Magistrate and Collector of Sioni, later in 2009 as DM of Collector of Singrauli, then as DM and Collector of Gwalior in 2011. Lastly, DM and Collector of Indore up to 2017. After serving as Revenue Secretary and Secretary Commissioner of Aviation, Public Relations at Urban Administration Departments of Government of MP, P. Narahari IAS is presently posted as Managing Director, Madhya Pradesh State Cooperative Marketing Federation and as Commissioner Technical Education, Government of Madhya Pradesh. He also worked as Secretary and Commissioner of Public Relationship Department. He served as VC of MCNUGC from 8 Jan to 25 Feb 2019 and once again from 19 April to 21 May 2020. He made Gwalior district 95% barrier free in 2 years to help persons with disabilities, senior citizens, women easily access public spaces, thus making Gwalior an example for other cities in India as reported by Satyameva Jayate. He got more than 45 awards for his excellent performance in his administrative career till now. 2005 CRISIL Award. 2011 Dainik Bhaskar Group's Indian Pride Awards. 2013 Award from the Internet and Mobile Association of India for efforts relating to use of social networks to engage citizens. 2014 awarded by Madhya Pradesh MP Agency for Promotion IT. 2014 awarded by Indian Book of Records for organizing a tree plantation. Received Manthan Award. Received National Award for Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities. 2015 received Public Servant of the Year by UBM. 2016 received National Award for Empowerment for Persons and with Disabilities. 2016 President Pranab Mukherjee for outstanding work in creation of barrier-free environment of the persons with disabilities. 2016 received District Collector Digital Champions Award. 2017 awarded at 8th NCP EDP. 2018 awarded joint runner-up in E-Governance Excellence Awards. 2018 received Excellent Contribution Award in G-Files Governance Awards for his unique social and economic development initiatives in state of Madhya Pradesh. His books. He wrote 5 books. Who Owns Mau? The Making of Ladli Lakshmi Yojana, Rise of Social Media in Madhya Pradesh, published by Director Public Relations Department, Government of India, Betiya, The Great Tale of Hinduism. Thank you for watching.